What's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got one of the baddest free watch faces in the Gear Manager store that you gotta download this weekend. Now this watch face is gonna be free for the taking. This one here is by version. Now free can become paid very quickly, so make sure you go download ASAP. My man got down on this one, so I'm giving him 3 thumbs up in the door with no problem. The name of the watch face is called New Roadster. It's a very nice looking dressed down, super casual watch face, and you probably can get away with dressing up in this one depending on how you customize the theme of this watch face. But let's have a closer look at it. In the AOD mode, you're going to get a very nice look, pretty much the same information that you would get when the watch face is on. Now once it is on, you're introduced to some vibrant colors. I love the dial, I love the detailing, and it's full of info. Now, as we look at the watch face, you're going to get 3 dials. You're going to get your digital time over here. You're going to get calories burned, your date. You're also going to get down at the bottom your step info. In this dial, you're going to get your heart rate information, battery info here, and your step info right there. And this is the analog watch face, and you do get the best of both worlds. And also, it is interactive. So if I tap here, I can get my heart rate information here, battery here. You can get your step status info, and if I come over here, I can tap and I can set a favorite, right? 3 places in which you can set, which is pretty cool. Makes having this watch on your wrist very convenient, and you also get your settings. So if you need to tweak the watch, however you see fit, you can. And over here, you can change this. I'm going to cycle through, right? Because you got many of them you can set to. Like that's AT&T, your provider. You got T-Mobile, you got Sprint. Oh, this is beautiful. I am loving this watch face. And if I double tap in the middle, I can customize the dial, the battery meters of this watch face, which I thought was super awesome. Right now, if I double tap up at the top, I can change the ring and theme of this watch face. The developer definitely did his thing. Now the video isn't going to do it justice. You got to see this in person. This is one of those watch faces that you don't want to pass up on. It is definitely worthy of a download. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.